So it's tripping the GFI. Yeah, it just tripped it. Well, let's see if it defrosts or not. Turn on the power. Goes in the defrost. Got no heater current over here. So I found out that the heater element for the defrost is stuck open. Yeah, that's what you gotta do. Because those screws.
Chicken dick Santa butthole. Why? Chicken dick. Why?
There we go. That looks pretty good. Looks like factory. There we go. I got her plugged in over there. Wonder if it'll trip. It tripped. You know what that means, don't you? We got us a nuisance tripping situation. Karen's gonna get awfully upset about this one. I've now plugged it into a non-GFCI receptacle. Check it out, look. It's working. It's cool and it's working great. I've just constructed this custom circuit breaker finder to help me locate the breaker powering that outlet that freezer's plugged into. It's labeled B5. What? So, I guess this would be it then? I guess that was it. Alright, that's cool. Check that out. Always comforting when you see that. Oh, that's better. There we go. Now we won't have any more nuisance tripping.
NEC chapter 210 verse 8.